So in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step on how you can use the gang sheet builder inside of the Apparel FX engine. If you're not sure what the Apparel FX engine, maybe it's your first time watching this video, I'm going to walk you into the system now so you can see how you can turn your flat designs into a premium design that your customer are going to say yes to every single time. All right, so if it's your first time here, my name is Erastus. I started my t-shirt business in 2015 from the closet space, from just a yes, and then we figured it out. All right, let's jump into the engine so you can get the exclusive look of this gang sheet builder. All right, so welcome to the apparelfxengine.com. All right, so all we're going to do, if it's your first time here, you want to make sure you commit. The Apparel FX engine right now, it's a one-time price. So for one time, you can get grandfather in, but this is moving to a subscription as of May 1st. So if you're watching this before that, get yourself grandfather in, pay the one-time price, all right, and get it for lifetime. So I'm inside of the Apparel FX engine right now. I'm walking you through this quickly for an overview for someone that's watching this video for the first time. If you missed any of the other videos, there's a playlist right here that you can go ahead and check out everything about the engine. So when you come into the engine, on the left side is where you'll find all of your presets. As of right now, we have nearly 75 presets here that you can choose from to transform your design. And when I say transform your design, you get to see exactly what I mean once we get into actually building our gang sheets. So what you're seeing right now, this is the single image, right? So what you're able to do here is just bring in a single image, right? I'm gonna hit the upload button there and just assume that this is my design, and I bring in this one design right here. I'm able to transform this design from this look by clicking on one of the presets here. Let's just go ahead and choose the one that is already selected, the luxury design, and we're going to just render this, right, without even doing anything else. But I'm going to spend most of this video here just talking about the gang sheet builder, which is this button right here we'll be jumping into in just a moment. So just like that, in a matter of seconds, you have the design that we once had is a whole new look, right? You got it. It's transformed into this luxury floral preset right here. That's amazing. All right, so that's what you can do in the engine at the bare minimum. But let's jump into the gang sheet builder side of this so you can see how you can build a full gang sheet in a way that no other gang sheet builder is going to give you. Right here, I'm going to click on the button up top that says build a gang sheet. Next, you're going to select the size of gang sheet that you're going to do. For this video right here, we're going to just start off in a 22 by 36 standard size, and I'm going to click on build my gang sheet. But let's say if you don't do inches, from right here you can switch to centimeters, you can change to liters, whatever you work with, right? Whatever part of the world you're in, you can literally change the entire system from right here before even going into it. But I'm in the US, I'm going to go off of inches right now. 22 by 36, build. So now you have what you probably know already. It's a gang sheet that's in front of me, or a canvas that now once I put designs into it, it's going to be a gang sheet. So what we're going to do on the left side, you still have those presets that are built in. There's no other platforms that allows you to bring in your flat designs and then transform them right there as you're building your gang sheets, right? So you don't have to go nowhere else. This is all in the same system, web-based. So I'm going to start by just looking at the top bar here. You have auto, layout, all of these things are different. What I want to just focus on is bringing in my design. We're going to add a design right here. All right, and I'm going to go with this one right here, right? This is a popular design that you're probably seeing, or this saying at least, right? We have the chicken butt and then we have the later. So I'm actually going to bring in the other one, okay, because we will have this one right here. Now we have two designs right here. Okay, so these designs are regular designs. They do not have a preset on them. You can leave them just as is, right? You can use this just as a regular gang sheet builder and just build your gang sheets right here like this. But for me, I want to turn these into a design that is not regular, right? That is going to make my customers say, wow, I want that. So once you bring your designs in, on the right side, you have the control panel of the gang sheet. You're able to change the size from this design right here. I can just change the size right here to say I want it 11 inches. Because I have it selected, it's going to change. All right. But here's the thing. Most beginners don't know how to size their designs. So we're guessing. But because I started in 2015 and I've tried all the different sizes and I know exactly what size you're going to need to do any type of shirt, we built in a section right here that says adults. It says apparel sizes. So you have adults, you have youth, you have caps, you have left chest. Everything is here. So when I click on adult, while I have my design clicked or selected, I click on adult. Now next on it, it says select your size. So when I click over here at 11 inches, my design is going to transform and so on, right? So max is going to be 11.25 for those like XLs and 2X shirts. And then you have the jumbo, right? People like the jumbos on the back. Now I can resize this for a jumbo. Everything is already baked in. You just have to select and click a button. If you can click a button, you can work in this gang sheet builder. All right, so that's that. Okay, so next thing I want to show you here is how we can add the presets to this. So I have my chicken butt design selected. I'm going to choose a preset here. Let's just go ahead. For the sake of this video, I'm going to do the metallic vinyl puff. At the very bottom here, I'm click on metallic vinyl puff. And now when I come to the far right side, it's the control panel where I can like tweak my design a little bit and choose different options for my vinyl. All right, puff. So over here, I'm going to click in where it says metal finish. I'm just going to keep it on the color chrome preserve color by right now. And for puff, we can do standard puff, high puff. I'm going to do a standard puff for this one right here. And your finished texture is just going to be foil, right, for now. And we're going to apply the changes to the design that we have selected. Right now, we only have the chicken butt design selected. Now, I can just go ahead and apply that to my gang sheet. While you're watching this, if it's your first time here, make sure you hit the like button on this. Drop a comment. Let us know what preset is missing that you would love to have inside of the engine. Or what else do you want to see inside of this engine right here? Wow. So now look at that. You have your design, chicken butt, right? So it's overlapping right now because our original base design is still right there. I'm going to bring the layers over so you can see on the far right corner, top right corner, you have my layers. And I can bring my layers in so we can see a little bit. Okay, so we have two. You have your base layer, which is underneath there. That's why the overlapping signal is blinking on the top. So I'm going to turn off my base layer right now. And we have our design right here. The chicken butt with that puff, man. Like, look how amazing that look. I'm going to zoom in so you can really see that. Like, look how puffy that is. Nobody else is giving you this puffy look, right? Or all of these presets. So this design is now amazing, and we can go ahead and fill up this sheet with this. So I'm just going to zoom back out. So right now we have this selected one, chicken butt, as a jumbo size. Maybe we don't want it to be a jumbo size. I'm going to make this an adult 11-inch design. So I'm just going to click on the adult 11-inch on the far right side there. So we have an 11-inch design right here. All right, so the other thing that we can do, we can duplicate this now to the far right by just clicking one button. Okay, so by just clicking one button, I already duplicated the second one at the bottom here. So I'm going to turn that one off. So we have two of them right now. Okay, so now I got my chicken butt and I'm going to just duplicate this one time. If I come to the far right side, on the repeat section, there's a section right here that says repeat. I can just click this button and repeat this one time. All right, so now that my design is selected, I'm going to come to this area, repeat, and I want to repeat this to the right one time. If I drag in anything, come to the repeat section, just hit the arrow right there, and what is going to happen is going to repeat my design for me if there's enough space. All right, so now I have my design selected. I'm going to come to the repeat section because I want to repeat the same size to be side by side, right? So my design is 10 inches right now. I'm going to hit the repeat button right here on the right and repeat it one time to the right. So now I have two of these designs, same size, okay? I could also, instead of using this one, I can turn it off for now. Let's say I want to fill in and repeat down again. I can just hit the button in my repeat section and say maybe I want to repeat 2, and I can change the dimension there, but I can just hit repeat and it's going to populate down. All right, simple, easy, and you can do the same thing for all of these. But I'm going to turn on our second design. So now we have the guess what. I'm going to make my guess what design. Right now it's at 14 inches. I want it to be maybe just 10 inches here. Boom, I'm gonna type that in. Now we can place it right there and we can repeat this down to fill up this sheet right here. So now we have our gang sheet, chicken butt, guess what? And you have a little bit more space down here. You can probably fit some youth sizes. So I'm going to duplicate the chicken butt one, click on it, come over where it says duplicate on the far right side. All right. Now the one that's selected right here, I'm going to change that size. Go to youth in the apparel section. Let's change this to maybe a toddler size so it will fit right here without overlapping. Boom. All right. So now for this one, we can repeat it one more time. I believe we can fit it. There it is. And I'm going to do the same thing for the guess what. I'm going to duplicate that one. Okay. And now bring that down. Make this one here the same youth size at 5x5, and we'll place it right there. Boom. And I think I can still fit another one over here. Let's try it. Once I hit this repeat, if it does not fit, it would not go. Right? So now I can't fit another one, but I can resize it, make this a cap design. Let's go to caps, or maybe a left chest. Let's make it a left chest design. Standard left chest, and have right there, and it fits. Boom. All right, so now we have our full gang sheet built with the preset, and this is ready to go. All we got to do now is jump in, and so right now all we have to do is download this gang sheet just as is. Come down at the bottom, download the gang sheet, give this gang sheet a name. We're going to call it, instead of gang sheet, I'm going to just say chicken butt. Right, 22 by 36. That's it, and we're gonna download. All right, so our gang sheet is now downloaded, and this is ready to go. All right, I'm gonna add this gang sheet into my design hub with all of my preloaded designs right here. We should be linked down below as well, the design hub, so you can grab this and get access to all of the designs. I'm just upload this gang sheet. Chicken butt, where did you go? Boom, chicken butt is loaded right here, which is his lifetime access to, which gives you lifetime access. All right, so that's how you would do the gang sheet builder there. Simple, easy. Now you can go ahead and upload your gang sheets and get it printed.